Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a mini haul for you guys. Since I got pregnant, I didn't really buy any clothes, but I know a lot of my followers obviously are not pregnant, so I want to share some cute stuff with you guys from my shop, Trinity times Infinity. I will leave the link right here and also down in the description box. But before that, if you're following me on my social medias like my Instagram, Snapchat, you would know that I've been promoting my Poshmark account with you guys. I actually used Poshmark years and years ago to sell my clothes. When they reached out to me recently, I got inspired to rediscover the app. So this video is in partnership with Poshmark, but don't get it twisted, guys. I truly do love Poshmark. I think that it's a very smart idea to get rid of the stuff that you don't want anymore. So like right now, I'm in the process of moving and I just want to get rid of a lot of the stuff that I haven't worn or stuff that I know that I'm not gonna wear anymore. So if you guys want to see what I have listed on Poshmark, you can just follow me at shop loveemandaootd, or you can just click the link down in the description box to download the app for free. So if you've never heard of Poshmark before, Poshmark is basically an app you can download on your phone, and you can basically be a buyer or a seller. What's cool about Poshmark is that they also have really big known brands like Nike, Louis Vuitton, Adidas, Michael Kors, and more. So I want to show you guys a few items that I've listed on my Poshmark app. I actually just listed all of this stuff on my Poshmark app this morning, and I actually already sold a few things, so I'm happy about that. One of my favorite things that I actually listed on there was my NMD R1 shoes. If you've been following me for a while, you guys know I collect NMDs, but I don't know, I just never reached for this one. Maybe just because it's like black. I usually like white shoes, so I decided to sell this, and this was actually the first item that sold on my app, which is cool. I collected a lot of Adidas shoes over the past year. Unfortunately, I haven't been reaching for this one either. This is the Tubular Shadow. Actually, Rax got this for me and he got mad at me because I never wore it, and we lost the receipt, so I just couldn't return it. Then I also listed a lot of sweaters. Like this one right here is a choker sweater, super cute, super comfy. I actually never wore this one. I listed a lot of sweaters, like I said, and a few pairs of like heels and stuff like that. So I have a lot of variety in the closet, in my Poshmark closet. And then here's a cream version of the sweater. So if you're interested in checking out my closet, definitely download the app with the link down in the description box. And make sure you share your closet handle down in the comment section so we all can, you know, shop each other's closets. So now moving on to the clothing haul, I want to show you guys some really cute pieces from Trinity times Infinity that are actually 40% off right now. So you guys better take advantage of it. So the first one here, I have a cute red bean color wrap sweater. I think it has some cute detailing and you can wear this off the shoulder. And the color is just really pretty. You can wear this with brown boots, black boots, and just some leggings or even jeans. And we also got some sexy lace bodysuit, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. We have some white ones, some black ones, some more bodysuits right here. We also got a lot of cute spring stuff. So if you want to start getting ready for the spring, we got some cute scrunchy like tube tops like this. Also have some off the shoulder button dress, which is super cute. Some strapless bodysuit with a cute bow detailing in front. We also have the scrunchy off the shoulder crop top here, but it's like the long sleeve version. Just realized I showed you guys all mustard color, but we do have other colors, guys. These come in like black, white, mustard, and I think that's it. So here's the white version of that tube top, which is super cute. And like I said, all of these items that I showed you guys are currently 40% off. I will leave the code right here. But yeah, that's all I have to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to check out my Poshmark closet, and don't forget to leave your closet name down in the comment section so I can check yours out, and everyone else can also check out each other's closet. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.